What?
We're doing a half up voluminous
Half braid.
ponytail.
What?
A voluminous half braid, half up ponytail.
Yeah, this doesn't sound very accurate, but okay.
Two sisters.
Two textures.
You better believe one of us is nailing this hairstyle.
Let's see who wins. I
Okay.
just did. Half a voluminous French braid ponytail. There you
Okay.
go. Boom. Boom, boom.
Divide the crown of your hair into 3 sections.
Are you sure?
Create the first 2 topsy tails by pushing the hair down and through the opening. And on
The thing up a little, the rubber band, split it and go towards your forehead again. And then bring it down and make it tight.
the last ponytail, topsy tail it up and through to create the voluminous ponytail. It's quick and easy like most of the styles on my page. If that's your jam, stick around for more.
And up. Like that. And then tighten.
Yeah, yours looks like more straight than mine. You were supposed to. It's supposed to go back here.
That's what it is back there. Okay, you can push it down. And then she said, make it voluminous. Well, I'll wait for you.
I don't get how to do the third one. It's like too thick for me to get my fingers through. Like this?
Yeah, and then go this way.
Instead of towards my forehead, the opposite.
Uh-huh.
Like that.
Yeah.
Owie.
And then, yep. Pull it out and then tighten. Okay, now let's make them fat.
What the flying F?
How are we supposed to make them fat?
We did something wrong.
No.
It's not easy for curly hair.
No, make it fat now.
It's fat because my hair is curly. It's different for yours. Mine's already.
But try to make it, but pull it like
mine
she
is
said.
already pulled.
Make it fatter.
It is fat.
But make it fat.
It is fat. Success!
What the heck? How is this supposed to look good?
But then she did this. She pulled her hair forward.
Yeah.
And then spread this out to make it look. Yeah, totally.
Let's see. Let me make yours fat.
No, mine is fat.
No, it's not fat
Yes,
at
it
all.
is
When she
fat.
says make it fat, that means grab this.
Ow, I know, but I have curly hair and you're not. It's not easy.
I think yours will look pretty compared to mine. I think yours is gonna be nice when I make it fat. Oh yeah, look at that. So because she has curly hair.
She doesn't have curly hair. She has
You
straight hair.
You have curly hair. It looks like it all goes together like one big braid. Yeah, let me see.
Yeah, no. I'm sorry to burst your bubble there, but you're giving me a cone head.
Okay, I think it's pretty. Okay.
You're giving me a cone head.
Okay, so this is how mine's fat. You can see I fattened it. But okay, so who won? Who rocked it? So you guys let us know who won. I think she won on this one. Because I think hers actually looks like a braid, kind of. And mine just looks... What do you think of mine?
It looks like I have a loaf of bread on my head.
What about me?
All I see is your ties.
My ties, right?
Yeah. It's not very good.